The slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, which is the change in y over change in x, and b is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis on the graph where x is equal to 0. So if we had y is equal to 1/3 x plus 2, you can see that we're in slope-intercept form. We have y on one side, a coefficient in front of the x, and a constant on the end. The 1/3 represents our slope, while the 2 represents the y-intercept. If we want to graph this equation, we can use the y-intercept to get our first point quickly. The y-intercept is at 2, which again is where x is equal to 0. So our first point is at 0, 2. To get a second point, we can use the slope. The numerator is a positive 1, and that tells us how much we go up or down, the change in y. From our original point, we'll go up 1. The positive 3 in the denominator tells us the x direction we must go, which is 3 to the right since we're positive. Up 1 over 3, and here's our second point, and then we can create our line. Watch this video next for more slope-intercept form examples so you can master this concept.